Look, who's this? Little red girl. And there's Tate. Tate, you can't get the camera. Tate. What are you guys doing? Huh? What are you doing? What'd you find? What is that? A string? This is Moose. Say hi, Moose. Running after Mama. This is Purple Girl. Say hi, girl. Purple Girl. Red Girl. Tate. And Moose. And Mommy. What, Tate? You can't have the camera. Tate wants the camera. And Mommy, but they're not going to get her. So, they spent a lot of time under the deck where it's cool. All that's under there is sand. So it's pretty nice. All my puppy litters like it down there. I don't know why. It's kind of boring, though, when they go down there. Who's this? Say hi. Say hi. Who is that? Come here. Oh, that's Purple Girl. Say hi. Oh, you're going to get that camera. Oh, you're going to get that camera. It's Moose and Purple Girl. Attack of Moose and Purple Girl. Oh. You're jumping now. Wow. That is so cute. You are so cute, huh? You are so cute, huh? Your nose is all dirty. And there's Tate again. Tate! Look at your nose! It's got sand all over it. And oh, dirt! What are you doing? What were you doing? Tate! Tate! You're going home soon. You're going home soon. See, I recommend these tiny little rubber toys. They can't take pieces off of it, and they love to play with them. Little bath toys for little kids. Cheap. Don't spend a fortune on doggy toys. They won't appreciate it. See? Tater tot. Tater tot. Tater tot. Tate's face is lighting up so much. There's Moose. Hey, Moose. But as you can see, Daisy has a lot of highlights in her coat. And so does her daddy. Say hi, Daisy. Daisy May. Daisy May. Say hi. Tater. See all the coloring in his face? Look at that. And you too. Two boys.